Hey folks, this is a quick review and demo of the 4-inch mini electric table saw by TruePower. It's only 42 bucks on Amazon, which is where I got it. And it's about 8 bucks shipping, so it's about 50 bucks. It's not very powerful, but it's perfect for what I need. I needed to cut moldings for my TARDIS here. Table saw was too big for the job, and this worked out perfect. It's not very powerful. Now I read the reviews on this. One of the main complaints was it doesn't come with a fence, so I had to make my own. Another review was a safety concern. Now this is all covered up with duct tape. I put this on to protect myself, but the blade's pretty much exposed on the side here and in the back. So the concern is you're sawing, it starts to wobble on you, and you go to hold on to it, and you get your finger in there and you get a little cut. I followed a suggestion somebody else made on Amazon, one of the reviews, and just covered up with duct tape just as a reminder to keep my fingers away from there. And it's not very powerful. I'm not going to use it for anything more than 1/4-inch stock, poplar and pine. It comes with this blade. And this blade. This is for tile. I don't know how you can cut tile with this. Again, it's not very strong. And it comes with a gauge here to make your cuts. This goes on this side so it doesn't hit the blade. No measurements on here, no angles. So you gotta, do it on your own, figure it out on your own. And do a quick demo. Put my makeshift fence on here. Just hold it in place with some 1/4-inch poplar. You can hear it struggling. So you can tell it's not that powerful. This is probably the strongest wood I'm going to use it on. It does come with a guard, which I took off because it just gets in my way. For 50 bucks, it's not a bad little tool. What I did, I made this sled for it. Get the tripod out of the way. So I made the sled for it. Now when I want to cut long pieces, the same length, I'll put a stop here. And just put that there, bring the stock up, go across, and just make the same size cuts each time, which in my case would be 6-inch for my TARDIS build. Alright folks, so it's the TruePower 4-inch table saw. Again, not very powerful. The blade's not adjustable. There's no depth adjustment, there's no angle adjustment. This is a basic saw. Not a very powerful motor. But again, if you need something to work on little tiny pieces, this might be the saw for you. Okay, folks, thanks for watching.